Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nokia G11 smartphone, and in today's video we are going to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you gotta open up the Play Store. Next, just type Opera at the search bar. Once the needed app is found, just click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed. As you can see, it will not take a lot of time. Alrighty, next we can just go ahead and open it. Here we gotta tap on the continue. Next we'll be presented with an opportunity to choose whether some of the features that the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or we can skip and leave their setup for later. In my case, I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Next you gotta click on allow, and that will ultimately mean that we are all set and you can go ahead and start using the Opera. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.